There are times when the target body and tool body intersect in a way that multiple tool body regions are created. Here, for instance, because of the ribs on the underside of the blue body, there are several distinct regions of the tool body. When I apply the Indent feature, I can have the option of selecting these regions or omitting them in the feature. Let's take a look. Now keep in mind that the Indent feature only works when at least two different bodies are available as they are here. I'll launch the Indent feature and select the target body. Next, I'll click on some of the tool body regions. I'm purposely not selecting all of them so we can take a look at the results. I'll click OK, and you can see that only those faces I selected are maintained. If you have a situation like this, and your intent is to keep all of the tool body regions, I suggest the following procedure. Let me click Undo to get rid of the previous Indent feature. When you launch the Indent feature, select the target body as usual. Activate the Remove Selections option. Instead of selecting the regions from the bottom, select the tool body from above. This tells SolidWorks you wish to remove the region you selected. I'll click OK to complete the feature, and I'll hide the tool body. You can see that a pocket was created for every tool body region.